Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Let Me Down by Boywithuke. Huh? Oh. Alright, so let's learn how to play Let Me Down by Boywithuke. Make sure you got your ukuleles and make sure they're in tune. G, C, E, A, the standard tuning. And yeah, let's go ahead and start with the verses. Okay, guys, so there are 3 chords for the verses, and they're basically pretty simple, but we're going to play them slightly different just for the strange little picking pattern that he does for the intro. So the first chord is going to be an E, which I would normally play this bar chord, but instead of having to do that whole bar, since we're playing the top 3 strings for this picking pattern, you just bar these top 3 strings on the 4th fret. Those 3. So you can play it with 1 finger, or you can have all 3 just like when you're playing a D. And the chord after that is an E major 7, which we're going to play like this, just because it's these top 3 strings. It's basically a G shape, but up on the top 3 strings. So basically, it's going to be your middle finger, top string, 4th fret, your pointer finger, 2nd string, 3rd fret, and your ring finger on the 3rd string, 4th fret. Just those top 3 strings. The chord after that is an A major 7, which is these 2 strings on the 1st fret. So top string 1st fret, 2nd string 1st fret. And for the strumming pattern for all the verses, let me just move over so you can see my fingers. What we're doing is plucking these 2 first, the top and the 3rd. You pluck these 2, then you pluck the middle one, and then the top one again, and then you just do 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So starting with the E, it's pluck, middle, top, and then 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Then you switch to the E major 7, pluck, middle, top, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. And then the A major 7, pluck, middle, top, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So you do that double the amount of times that you do the other one. So altogether, it'll sound like this. And that is kind of tricky, so if you wanted to, you can just play the normal chords, so the normal E, and then the A major 7 here, and then the A major 7. If the plucking is too hard, just play the normal chords. You can play the bar E, or you can play the normal E, like that. And then once you play the E major 7, then you play this one. And then you would play the A major 7. So you just do the down, down, up, up, down, up. You would do that if the picking pattern is a little too hard for you. So now let's get to the pre-chorus. Okay, so for the pre-chorus, the chords are A major 7, and B. And it's that top 3 string picking pattern again. So what we would do is play an A, which is your pointer finger on the 2nd string 1st fret and your ring finger top string 2nd fret. And you just do the same thing. It's the 1st and 3rd string, then the 2nd one, then the top, and then just 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Then you would go to the A major 7, pluck, middle, top, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. And then the next chord is a B. So you bar the 2nd fret, put your middle finger on the 2nd string 1st fret and your ring finger on the 1st string 2nd fret. Pluck, middle, top, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. And that's going to sound like this. Which leads into the chorus. So let's go to the chorus. So for the chorus, the chords are E, E major 7, A major 7, and B. So the E would look like this if you play the bar chord. Bar this, these top 3 strings. If you want to play the other version, it's your pointer finger on the top string 1st fret, your middle finger, bottom string 2nd fret, and then your pinky on the 2nd string 4th fret. That E or this E. And then the chord after that is an E major 7, which is just like the E, but instead of your pinky on the 4th fret, you can put your ring finger on the 3rd fret. E major 7, then A major 7 is these top 2 on the 1st fret, and then we already know how to play the B. And for the chorus, he just does the plucking, and I'm pretty sure it's only 4 times on each chord. So starting with the E, it'll be then E major 7, then A major 7, and then B. You let me down, get my feet up off the ground, but you don't even know my name. Now let's go to the post-chorus. The post-chorus is the same as the chorus, except instead of lyrics, he just goes da 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 dum. Da 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 dum. So let's go ahead and try to sing some of this. Oh hey, I think I lost my way. Can you put me back in place? I know you'd never let me down. Would you lift me off the ground? Do you even know my name? And even when I'm safe and sound, it could always turn around. But can you remember my face? Da 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 da. Da 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 da. I hope that helped you guys learn how to play Let Me Down by Boywithuke. Personally, I think it's easier to just do the down, down, up, down, up on the verses, but if you like the finger pattern, go for it. It's just easier for me to do the strumming, but either way sounds good. And yeah, with some practice, maybe I can do a cover of this song too, but it's kind of tricky. I haven't actually listened to this song a lot. You guys keep requesting it, so now it is on my playlist. Hopefully I can get better at it, and then I'll do a cover for you guys. So yeah. I'll see you guys in the next video. A creature with 2 heads,